Good morning, it's yet another day to make choices. Every decision that I've made in my life has led me to this particular moment where I'm going to work. Life is full of choices. Like right now, should I go to work or just go hustle? What should I do? Okay, I guess we'll see. So I need some energy. I need some energy to make that decision. Then I drink too much of this. So I've made a decision to take an energy drink today. So now let's go to work. So I've decided to go to work first and then do that other business later. Sometimes in life, you gotta do what you gotta do. Now it's time to go and do that other thing. Finally, I've arrived, and now it's time to deliver the package. I've made my drop, now it's time to go. Always remember to make the right decisions at the right time. Now I'm gonna have an online meeting and then I'm done with the day.